In. Runner goes from first and he sends it high in the air to right. Runner tagging at third. Catch is made by Rios. They're going to try and score him. Here's a throw to the plate. Not in time. Set fly. RBI.
Yep, get him over. Didn't get him in. Look at Ian. He takes a little extra time here to make sure that he doesn't leave early, and pretty close play, but Rios just throws up the third base line, and Ian scores easily. Tacks another one on. Tigers take a 3-1 lead here in the bottom of the 8th.